one thing that's challenging in the Class C, our cottage, is that we don't have any cup holders near the couch area. And so even if you're driving down the road, the couch has seat belts, you can be sitting there, you don't have anywhere to put your drink. And that is a problem because you potentially can spill your drink in here.
What we've decided to do is add some cup holders. Now, our tabletops are not done yet. And certainly you could kind of set your drink on there while you're doing it, but that could be disastrous as well. So we're going to mount some cup holders in different places for each of us that we think are going to be the most convenient for that particular seat.
And once again, I'm super excited about the cup holders. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that I tend to be super excited about everything. And that's just because I loved getting things and doing things, but I'm really excited about having a cup holder. It's even hard in the cottage. Just a minute ago, Kevin put his cup, his Diet Coke, into the sink because we're shutting the door, opening it, and it's moving around a little bit. And he shut the door and his drink fell over. And then he thought it was my fault, of course. But it'll be really nice to have a cup holder in here all the time.
All the time. And then the other thing too is obviously this side will have the cup holder in a different place than this side based on how the tables are mounted.
Yeah, I'm not exactly excited about that because I wanted them to be uniform, but it's not possible.
Not possible.
Let's put in some cup holders. So we purchased our cup holders from Amazon, and the link will be in the description below. But we started out with a different cup holder that was more heavy duty and seemed like it would be a better option for us, but it was way too heavy for the RV. So we then ordered these cup holders, and these are great because they're metal, but they're very light and they're very simple. So I think it's a much better option because if it's too heavy, it's going to pull off the wall and cause problems. We're gonna go with these. This seems to be the best option.
First step is determining where you want the cup holder, which seems pretty easy. Like, where would I want it the easiest? Well, a couple things. I've got a moving table that's coming back and forth. Got a recline function on the chair, so I want to make sure that it's somewhere that I can reach and get to, and then it's not going to come in contact with the table. So really for me, I think right here is probably about the best option that I'm going to have.
To determine where I'm going to put the cup holder on my side of the recliner, I have to think about my table as well. Not just where my table will be when it's out, but also where it will be when it slides over, say like this, and it's here. So I'm gonna have to put my cup holder, unfortunately, back here, so I'm having to turn around. It's not as easy for me just to set something right here, but it's still better than having a drink spill. So mine will be back here out of the way. So, change of plans. I was thinking that I would have to have my cup holder back here, but Kevin, just in his infinite wisdom, shared with me that I actually have my table too high, first of all, and secondly, I could put my cup holder right here because it's never going to get in the way of the table then, and then I don't have to lean way back here to put my drink in. So I'm super excited that my cup holder can be right here, and when I have my morning coffee, I can easily put my coffee right next to me and not have to move too much in the morning, which is a bonus.
These are real easy to put in. They just have 4 screw holes. I'm going to put in 2 screws initially, diagonally, 1 in each corner. So next step is just go ahead and screw it in. So I'll put 1 more screw in and we'll be good to go. Like a glove. With this cup holder, I am going to put 4 screws in. I didn't need to on the other one because it was going into stuff that was very solid. Here, this is kind of a thin piece of Luan, so to give it a little extra support, I am going to put 4 screws in.
Okay, we've got our cup holders done. Yay! I love it.
Yes, and they're deep enough too that if we're hitting bumps and stuff and going down the road, it's still gonna work well. And then once we get our tables done.
So that project was quick and easy. Didn't take very much time at all. I'd say 15 minutes max.
Only because we were filming, it would have been 5.
So, very quick, makes a big difference though. Those little conveniences are always helpful. So if you want to see more how-to videos like this, click on the video on the screen or go to our channel and click on one of our playlists.
And if this video is helpful to you in any way, we'd like you to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
As always, doing things yourself allows you to be free. See you in the next video.
Coda Benson.
Let's be real. Usually Coda is laying out on the couch. And right now he's a little annoyed because we're in his space. So he's trying to jump over to another space.
The other thing Stacy gets super excited about is giving me jobs to do.
Come. Can you stop?